launch, launch, launch. Optimization, optimization, optimization. Awareness, awareness, awareness. Outreach, outreach, outreach. Positioning, positioning, positioning. Launch. For example, we are preparing to launch a new marketing campaign next month. Optimization. For example, optimization of our website will improve user engagement. Awareness. For example, increasing brand awareness is our top priority this quarter. Outreach. For example, our outreach plan helped attract more potential clients. Positioning. For example, we need to rethink our product positioning in the market.